Which one do you speak?
Okay, I speak Oba
Oba.
in OMOKU.
Okay, so how do you when you want to say come, how do you say it?
It's beer.
When you want to say go, how do you say it in Oba language?
Ngengwaje.
Yeah?
Jije.
Jije.
Okay.
When you want to say I want to eat,
Atomiri hori.
say it again.
Atomiri hori. Vienim hori. Atomiri hori. When I say I'm hungry, I want to eat. Eguno equem.
Okay, when you want to say where is your husband?
I could look at DJ. Naladi.
Daladi.
Naladi.
Daladi.
Where is your husband?
Okay, when you want to say where is your wife?
Winla. Dala makawi.
Dala makawi.
Winye di. Winye di.
Winye di. Okay. If you want to say
wife.
When you want to say welcome, how do you say?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, so now is this a language or a dialect?
It's a dialect.
Dialect of where? Of which language? Be the name.
Actually, my name is Jacob Azubike, thank God.
Jacob Azubike, thank God.
But they call me Azuka.
Okay, Azuka. Okay, all right. Waiting be your order. Remove the English names.
Yeah.
Remove the your native names.
Okay, Afamba Azuka.
Okay, Azuka who?
Azuka Jacob. Jacob is my surname.
What's the name of the name of your forefathers?
Okay, now I understand where you're coming from. My name is Azubike, son of Ifeanyi Jacob.
The son of Ifeanyi Jacob.
Jacob Ograbe.
Ograbe.
Ograbe. Yeah.
Ograbe. What he mean for your language?
Somebody who's always worked on his own. Ograbe.
Ograbe. Okay. Ogarankia. Ograbe. Okay. All right. We they try learn. You know. Okay. So tell us your origin. Where are you? As in the people of OMOKU. The people of OMOKU. Where are they? Where are they from?
Our Asian people, they told us that OMOKU Oba. This place is called OMOKU Oba. We are from the Benin. We are from Benin.
Okay.
Yeah. That's where the Oba came from.
So what?
They're about. They are from Benin.
Okay.
Ebe is Ahuda.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We the one know what is the connection between you and the Igbos that you are bearing the name like without any trace of Benin name in you?
Okay. According to the history, that was the particular one that I told you. But intonation of Oba, our intonation did not even look alike with me that those my Asian people told me that we originate from, that we claim to come from.
So what does that mean? What does that entail?
What I seem to understand there, in short, if you ask me, I don't really know what to say that area because I think there is some coincidence there. Why I say coincidence is, my people telling me that we are from Oba, and when you go to Benin, you get that Oba people there. Why we don't even hear from the Edo people? If they speak, we can't hear. But if an real Oba person speaks, the Igbo man sometimes catch up and hear what they say. And that is how the Igbos speaks here. We, the Oba, will also hear from them. But if the Edo man come to this place and speak, one day, Mangwagase, we don't hear from them.
So how come, because this information has gone through many years, that, okay, how can people be lost in name, in culture, and in tradition up to this point that they are still believing? Some people say they are from Benin, but there is no trace. Or have there been elders here who has gone to Benin?
What happened is that, you know that sometimes things do change. Like you ask some people, sometimes they may be telling you of their child who traveled to a particular country, to a particular state, who has not come back, that have have family there, they have relatives there, But if you ask them very well, they still tell you their origin, where they come from.
Yes.
So that is what I just seem to understand.
But most of those people will always retain a part of their culture and their names.
It's true. Most of our culture here, if you ask me, most of them are from the Igbo. And most of them are from the Benin that they say. Like, we have so many cultures here. We have our masquerade culture and our festive culture and our wrestling culture.
So which of them is related to Benin and which of them is related to the general Igbo?
Okay. Our festive related to the Benin. Why our masquerade related to the Igbo? And if you watch, if you
mention that festival,
we call it Nchaka.
Nchaka
Egwogba of
Nchaka Egwogba.
Yes.
How do they do it?
Yes, it's a festive that as you hear of festive, we always have it at the 11th month of the year called November. First the women, second the men. Are you getting me?
So is that culture traceable to the Benin?
Yes.
Okay. So what do they do?
It's just a come together of people, at least a celebration of, or if not for another class, being alive and seeing the particular day.
Okay. So do you also practice the 4 market days of the January?
Yes.
What do you call yours?
We'll have our Ori Afo Nkwo Aho here.
Ori Afo Nkwo?
Yes. Nkwo Ori Afo. Those.
Ekenko?
Yes. It's also here.
Okay. Okay.
Market day, Eke market day, Afo market day, and Ori market day. We'll have it here.
Does it say that the Benin people came here and met Igbo people here?
No. What I've told you from the history of our forefathers, they will tell us that we are originated from Benin, a place called OGBA. And when you come in OMOKU community here, not even OGBA, we have a place called Obosi community. Obosi community. Are you seeing?
Where is that Obosi? What's the origin?
Obosi community originated from Oba.
Oba.
Yes. Obosi.
Okay.
Anambra State. Are you getting me? Yes. So after you didn't minute there about 3 days later, you get Obosi.
All right. So does the Oba people speak a different language?
Oba as a whole is one.
Yeah.
In Oba, we have Ibru. We have Ege. We have Oba language, Ibru language, Oba language, and Ege language.
As in, which one do you understand?
I understand all.
Which one do you speak?
Okay, I speak Oba.
Oba.
In OMOKU.
Okay, so how do you when you want to say come, how do you say it?
It's Bia.
When you want to say go, how do you say it in Oba language?
Ngwaje.
Yeah?
Jije.
Jije. When you want to say I want to eat,
Atomiri hori.
say it again.
Atomiri hori. Vienim hori. Atomi eguneko atomiri hori. When I say I'm hungry, I want to eat. Eguno ekwem.
Okay, when you want to say where is your husband?
I could look at DJ. Naladi. Where is your husband?
Okay, when you want to say where is your wife?
Wila. Dala makawi.
Winye di. Okay. If you want to say
wife.
When you want to say welcome, how do you say? No.
Yeah.
Okay, so now is this a language or a dialect?
It's a dialect.
Dialect of where? Of which language?
Like from the beginning, as I told you, from the story of my forefathers, that we Oba Epehe is the Akoda people. Okay. That we come from, we migrated from Benin.
Okay, migrating from a place, does that make you an indigenous of that place, and that you originated from that place?
My brother is, in all.
Because when you said let's get this,
trace your origin.
Okay, wait. Because according to research, the old Benin Empire had a lot of nations in it, but they are an empire. Okay, so even Igbos, some part of Igbos, there are a time. Wait, there are some Onisha or some part in Delta that are Igbos are under the Benin Empire, under the Benin rulership. That means they pay homage or they pay some tax to the Benin king. So now, could it be possible that these same people maybe out of some persecutions might have migrated from there downwards? You understand to this place?
That particular one is something that I cannot say of. I really wish that my forefathers were alive. That is a story meant for them.
Okay, all right. Well, like I asked before, what I'm trying to know is OGBA a language or a dialect of a particular language?
OGBA is a language.
How?
If I may put it this way, like you go in other places, they have their language. The particular one that you're hearing here is our own.
We have a Igbo language, which Eza people speak of Eza dialect in the Igbo language.
State.
Yes, in Igbo state. Nsuka. If an Nsuka man should speak, the general Igbo will not hear. Ekwo, Eza, Nsuka, Mbise, Mbieri.
They are still one.
They are speaking one language but different dialects.
Okay.
So could OGBA language be like Ikwere? Ikwere is not a language; it's a dialect. So I understood.
Yes.
Well, this is a history for another day.
Yeah.
All right, but I thank you so much for your time.